can I go and leave it for you?
Mr. Foster, you tell me say I know for sharp my shit.
No, sir. I never shot one before.
You sure?
Sure. I'm still father we shot them. I never shot me before.
So you can do what me I do right after, right?
Me I look for you.
I can't be disturbed. I'm sharpening my shit and my hat get cut if I talk to you. Disconnect your brain from your mouth for a second. No, I don't. If you talk to me, I'm going to cut my hand. This is like surgical stuff. People, this is Randy. The girls them Candy. Big up to Sandy. Where we say Babylon, watch where you step on, Randy's a weapon. Where you step on? You see Mr. Foster? We come for plant trees. We tell the people them say, look, in the future, food are going to ration. And we live by example, right? How much tree I plant since we come down here? Remember I said the plant them, I plant a man, we plant beer, go have a tree catch, and I go man, we go check them. We have 3 coconut tree around here, so, right? We just plant akee tree. We plant 1 coconut tree over there, so. We plant a pear tree over there, so. We're going to plant a pear tree today. Then we're going to set up a chocho orchard. You see what I say? The Jamaicans, and then we're going to get a cherry tree. And we're going to get a breadfruit tree too. So before, when we're not there for I deal with no foolishness and I buy a Benz and a Beamer and come to Jamaica buy breadfruit for $200 a breadfruit. It don't make no sense. That's what I'm telling you. Plant trees and now listen to me. So now we have a whole heap of tree, mango tree, about 15 mango tree we have, and I'm going to plant up, we think, by the time me reach 55.
Top.
Wait, no man, good man, touch the screen. Still a fail. Yeah. But when I hear some Mr. Fashion, I don't know if I sharpen my shit. What a boy work. You know, says a president to get the machete, yeah? Tony did give me this man. You know, say Tony from the Jamaica Good Life program, Tony gets his birth certificate.
Yeah.
A program we have, man, wicked. Then you get driver's license, you get a walker, you do work now, washing machine. No for the youth, then, man. I mean, I leave the talking, but when you're in my head, I can't even think and concentrate because your mouth connects to your brain and there's a river run between the two. And sometimes you talk about things like you talk outside for a while, or mosquito and all of them things. I mean, I'm not talking about mosquito and fly, everything. You need to talk about important things. Whoa, Mr. Foster. When them say them are imposter, Italian are going like them a rasta. Back up! They say them are Italian. You see that like a machete, I always have no care. If a boy make a wrong move, you know, he lose his shoes, you know. You see, if a boy make a wrong move, he lose his shoes. You understand what I said to you? Get those. Because we're a countryman, so set me. So, Mr. Foster, you must know for sure machete. So them look at machete, man, no normal. But me know say. Alright, let me look down some tree for you. Alright, keep filming, watch. Alright, my brother. So this we're gonna make the chocho orchard with. Harbor? Chocho harbor? Yeah. And an orchard. Long. Mr. People, this is Mr. Foster. Mr. Foster, give them your phone number slowly. Slowly. You know on a phone? Oh Lord. Give them a phone number for somebody, please. Slowly. With the 876, please. Slow.
My phone number is...
Loud. Stop talking like a little girl. I keep telling you.
My phone number is 876. People, let me give you my phone number. My phone number is 876 431 8332. That's 431 8332.
Is that your wife number? Cause your
That
phone...
is my wife number.
So call you for do a farming, yard cleaning,
Farming,
plant
yard,
tree.
cutting, anything.
Alright. You
wash clothes, anything when you want in your yard, you feel doing in your house.
You will go all the way St. Mary? Anyway.
Anyway.
You're a bad man.
Me no fear no boy, no girl.
See the people, this is on a worker. If you don't want things to mix on the yard, and somebody for trust, we won't thief on the tools, see me, he won't touch a screwdriver. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
You see that brother here? He won't come in your yard and ask you for ice water and bring your own water. You don't come in people's yard. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Because you don't want people say you're going to touch nothing under their yard. Don't go in people's yard, you see. In their house, yeah?
Yeah.
You don't dig it deeper, Mr. Foster. No more the dirt to throw upon it, man. No, throw the dirt upon it in the ground first. Hold the camera, let me do it. Because it's special to me. You mash up me. Hey. The tree is special to me, you know. And you hang the tree bad. When you plant a tree for the first time, you have to give them space. You see me? You have to give him space for settling, for start him journey. So not just the hole you dig. You have to make it soft so him run far as him can quickly. Set him foundation, then him start study the ground. You have to give him a start. It's like you're the father for the tree, you know. You have to give them a start in life, go deep. Because set the foundation for a long journey. So you can't, you see them stone here, with a fight him. The dirty people them, and then stone here. You see me? Then you have to give him like a nourishment and root. It's a virgin dirt. So when the root touch that, the root say, yes, you have good food for eat. It's a plant in a tree. It's a journey. And you have to bless it, you have to kiss it. Alright. And you have to get a name. You want your name? What a name?
Beer and don't stop.
Mr. Foster, see? Mr. Foster, your name, beer and don't stop. So 2 years from now, 3 years from now, people, when you keep subscribe, watch Jamaica Good Life. Because you're not going to see if beer and no stop. I got beer and no stop. Jamaica, the best thing you can do for the picnic them is not big house. As much tree as you can plant for them. And so them stay healthy, and health is wealth. No matter how no mansion if you don't have a pear tree, they're not nothing, right? And pear expensive. Pear right now how much? Hold the camera. Pear right now how much?
2, 1, 3, and 5.
For one?
Yeah.
So anytime when you see a pear tree catch, do God a favor. Pay attention. Alright, watch me, hold camera good. Let me show you now for this thing. So we're gonna plant a tree. Make sure so now. Let me protect it. Gonna calm Mr. Foster, people. And then we plant up in the whole place. I know where the orange tree guys in Mandeville. And we can put some fertilizer. Mr. Foster, will the camera good? Now pay attention to the camera.
Camera all good.
We can put fertilizer. like a grape orchard. An orchard, right? Citrus food? Okay. You sure? Make a comment, people. Some of the things need to stay on it, right?
Yeah.
That's what they. So leave some of the things them on it. This is a nice. Yeah man, you see, you may say, one thing me know, you know, nobody can say we not do for Jamaica, you know. We did a lot. And big up to all the fans and keep watching. No time when I say, Randy, how come you don't put up no video? Well, go to JamaicaHealthBox.com. We deal with the visual healing. You know, we are heal people physically. You know, no respect. People call me doctor and you know, we are heal people. I'm Manchester born and I St. Mary grew away. Clarendon, Troy and St. Catherine. We ride bicycle, so you can't talk to me. I'm a countryman. But you know, hand. People are countryman. See them is a faster. Enough of them are rasta. You hear them on. Some of them are rasta now. And I get manicure and pedicure. Me see them, you know? You hold the camera good. You hold it down, you know. Down.
Camera there for you fully.
Pull it outside. We go up to Jason and Gaza. Alright, see this now? This is a good runner. This is a good runner. Run from church upon. Make me orchard. You don't stress yourself in the orchard. So a long time, no matter around there. Them so around there. Where the girl them candy there? We got to Sandy there. Courage up on this, you know. The one you have maca is perfect for chocho. So what other thing have vine on it? What other thing? Cersei. We could plant Cersei too on it. What other thing too, Mr. Pastor? What other? You have Cersei seed? And you know, so I have some sorrel seed. And enough work what we do, you know. It look like more I want to stay till the passport run out, you know. Nice, you see this one? Nice, nice, nice. Focus, you know. Can't follow for your brain, you know. Follow my mother's brain, you know. Ice cream truck. Alright, see another one now. So faster. Be a good film, man. I'll people. I tell you, Jamaican name. They have lazy bodies. But you for TikTok, you need to have in our hand and pay attention. Alright, people. Remember, see our yard with there. My man watched a video one time and he said, Randy, you know, him say, Manchester a third class place, sent on a first class task. I said to him, you're damn idiot. Anyway, yam grow a first class. You see me with food there, at the root. Come on. So something me enjoy doing. You see farming is great. But you see planting trees, long-term investment for the next generation, you know? You remember your grandfather and grandmother, when them plant the tree them food, right? And them dead and gone. And we just eat the fruits off of the tree, right?
Yeah.
And we not even, I think say, remember say me am 49, you know, brother. How much tree me have in my name? I was stupid. 49 years. So I'm supposed to have 100 coconut tree by now.
Yeah.
How much coconut tree you have in your name?
1.
How much pear tree you have in your name?
Me not no pear tree.
Okay, how much apple tree you have?
Me not know only 1 tree. Only one coconut
What
tree.
breadfruit tree you have in your name?
1 coconut tree and around 20 banana tree.
So you're poor. You're poor then. A man might have a mansion and have 10 coconut tree. I'm poor. Can I buy coconut?
And you not sow none.
So we must start counting how much trees. So if you say boy, you know, so you have 50 mango tree, me off in St. Mary, you have a business, right?
Yeah.
So you must count, say, alright, you know, this year, I'm going to get 20, hold the camera good. I'm going to get 20 guava tree. I'm going to get 20 soursop tree on my grandmother land. I'm going to get 15 orange tree. I'm going to get 50 coconut tree. You must have 10 acres. So if you think like that, when your son and daughter get to 5-year-old, do you have to buy fruits? And every Jamaican supposed to say, boy, I have 5 tangerine tree me catch, you know. And my lady teach me the secret. We catch the lime tree them and the orange tree them. A lady from Senti. You see me? So hear me I say, you know this life, and you know the world are going on. Remember I say snow over so you know. And what we have? Sun. Right now it's cold and we hot.
Yeah.
Sun all the time. So now we have the blessed country, right?
Yeah, man.
So you don't have to worry about what people are saying about you. A rich man have trees. A poor man pay for food.
Yeah.
No matter how much money you have. Because one day the money will go down. But you see the sun can't done.
Yeah.
You see the rain, can't stop far. You see the earth, you can't step through it.
Yeah.
A foundation is the earth. But what you do, Mr. Fast, every day? You walk on foundation and you don't do what? You don't recognize where you walk on.
Yeah.
So then you there, I pray to the sky. See there? You step on it and you don't know where you step on. So what you have do? Put something in.
Yeah.
So you can do what? Win. And if you don't put something in, guess what? It's a what? Sin.
Yeah.
So my mother teach me, we grew up doing this. So enough people never know send me. I not keep you see. Nothing in life more important to me than avocado, gooseberry, sweet sap, sour sap, callaloo. Nothing more important. You can't give me $1 million and tell me say me now go eat callaloo again. You see what I say? And tell me say me can't eat breadfruit again. I'm gonna give $1 million.
Yeah.
You can't eat pear, breadfruit, callaloo, gooseberry, sour sap. So if me give $1 million and tell you say you can't eat them again, you don't take it? Maybe you don't take it.
You just say me can't do it.
You can't eat sour sap, you can't eat callaloo, You can't eat breadfruit. You can't eat nothing in Jamaica we grow on tree. You can't eat it. You go get $1 million to buy everything at supermarket. And you can't eat nothing natural for the rest of your life. And you're picking them life. Hold the camera. For the rest of your life and you're picking them life. Now get $1 million US cash. And now you're picking them can eat nothing will come off a tree naturally. You have to take the money for the rest of your life and go to the supermarket for all of your picking them.
You can't do that with breadfruit.
So you see what the system do?
Can't do that with breadfruit, kid. And we can't feed pan rice, rice and flour alone.
Okay. First class. I know about house and infrastructure. We can't have a house and I pay $500 for a pear. That's not first class. When you get pear for free, no. But them say the best thing in life is what? Free. So if me live in Manchester, I call Manchester third class. And I pay free breadfruit. Yes. I said them backwards is sick and then go far and go sit all building.
Yeah.
I want to eat food for free, brother. I don't like pay for breadfruit, you know. A $400 was spent for breadfruit to look at eat that piece of breadfruit. And when I go St. Mary, tell you something, this is when I go St. Mary, man. So when I go up to Jamaica country and come back to Jamaica and pay for breadfruit and church up. Them things are sin. Look how I try to show you. So I try to show you, my brother.
Yeah.
That's what I try to show you. Everybody in Jamaica can cut piece of limb. Hold the camera good, make sure you see what I do. Can you see if the people say they can't work good, and you don't make a blame. Hear me say. You know which people? Man in Jamaica will come from foreign and don't do what me I do. So everything I have to teach them. Everything around there I have to do. I'll show them. You know say Mr. Pastor?
Yeah.
Have you been watching the program? I'm not show them everything, now I'm going to teach them how to plant church. I mean like, every yard is supposed to have church, right?
Yeah, man.
I'm not going to market up.
Come here, church up a country.
Yeah, church on Carlo. At the least, even I get up, them can do this and run up stick against the house. You have to teach people everything that they forget to do and live in our world. But you know, watch TV and I watch foreign and they on TikTok. I'm not supposed to make stick and I make, look here. See that people? That is what's important in life. When you get it now, look how simple that is. I'm going to have to teach them everything. Like say me I didn't get it. That's why the girls didn't love me. You know say? That's why I love Randy, you know, the girl and Candy, because Randy never make her hungry. You see? Woman make you hungry when you don't hungry. All you have to do is give me my shit. I rubbed up my back. You see me? Once a woman buy me a machine, I rubbed up my back and think, no good. There's something nice on my head. Disconnect your mouth from your brain. You see? You see me?
Yeah.
If a man come home with them, talk. Shut this. Hey, that's not too bad, but you know me. Man for work. You see my shit are gone. Now you get to Mr. Faster, but you don't have this at your yard. And you never think about it, did you? But I think I have 30 minutes tonight yet, right? I teach you to be a man. You know, teach this, you know, teach them, people them this about get education. And nobody not tell them if you cut up stick and make chocho. Chocho orchard. Nobody ever teach you this yet? Okay.
How to make chocho,
Let's say orchard.
oh.
Look there, you see how they stick them do it? And I said the search of them will go crazy now, no? See that? Even in a ghetto you can't do that. Search of them will go crazy. You see what I say? So we're going to lean them up on the wall and plant, space them out. And you see when the sources say you set up stick for them.
Tap there now.
Wait, I say, run out of battery. Battery? Very good. So mommy, you see what I'm going here, so? So don't be a hater, be an appreciator. Stop it to no one later. Let's do it. Right now. I'm going to keep on them. Just do it faster. Well, I can have food. You go and listen to it. Just get married. So much you got it. And don't you do. See how far in front TikTok. Not enough food when you come back here. Come to you. Beat them, Randy. Beat them.
A dandelion, that you know?
A dandelion?
Yeah.
You sure?
A dandelion with the pod.
You know, look funny, kind of wonder.
Alright. And then you
You
just
sure?
You sure?
Sir? You how we grow so tall, no?
put it over there, so camera. It's too tall for dandelion.
Some the outer arm on the park, right at the roadside, they tall and they know.
You tell us, I know dandelion.
No man, they're not dandelion there man. See there.
It look like dandelion, it's not dandelion. The dandelion, them shorter,
You know, say,
and them pod where you can get the seed out of.
well, that's the same thing. This just grow because of the
Look
trees
like
around
that.
it. Alright, I'm gonna leave it for now. Until you see what I'm gonna try ask you. Enough people trade money, a nice building, a nice car, and a traffic. Cause enough of them go find them make $1 million over time, you know. If you make 80,000 for 30 years, enough money that, you know. So they did trade $1 million for what? Breadfruit.
Yeah.
You see, you see? You getting it now?
Yeah.
Fine from the tree. Alright. Randy have to teach you know, because sometimes you know look on life the right one and match the thing. And when Mr.
Kev, you have your phone for you?
I know you're somewhere gonna fit. You just have to set up the system. Alright. I love you too. These things are very important to me. Alright, let me tell you something. First of all, you can make chocha juice.
Yeah.
You see avocado, when it ripe, it's like it's been cooked. You see? Avocado, when it ripe, it's like it's been cooked. You see? So you have to tie them up now with wire. And we'll put them over there, so you tie it up. So when breeze blow, and you tie them up, you put a nail in the wall and tie it on it. You good? Now you're getting it, right?
Yeah man.
Simple maths. And why is this important to demonstrate? Because what I'm trying to tell the world is that we all know that food prices are going crazy. So the first thing you're supposed to do is call Mr. Foster. And I say, Mr. Foster, I need you to go to my yard, set up a chocha thing for me. I need you to plant some trees from Randy. Mr. Potter is with the girls and candy. And we need you to get some lime trees, orange trees, and take care of the thing. Everything in Jamaica have a purpose. Nothing but to waste. Love it, man. Nice sunny day. Watch out. Look my bird up. This is what I dream about all my life, you know. That's what I want a country wife, you know. I want a woman who can cry when chicks bite them, you know. You see what I say, you're a girl, if chicks bite them, wind up. You're what? Eh?
Yeah.
You good, right?
Yeah man.
No woman come around me already and then see a little fly and then go and touch. Me tell them bye-bye.
The least good thing then tell you make noise over.
Yeah.
Bug is biting me.
No, damn tour guide. You're a countryman. No. Woman, you can't shit in the bush. When life get hard, you want to stay abroad. But when you come to the yard, you must get nice now. What's the one shot for the father? Hey, wanna run with the girls them send me. Pick up the sun. So the machine tell them now, hello. When I film, hold the camera like a camera. Watch your hand. Yeah. Feel good about it. Yeah. How about the energetic. Energy. My back are not too strong.
Yeah, water down there.
Water for drink? Yeah. So now, enough times I do things and I know come back for show people the progress. But in time, enough of them want me to do video every day. Go to Jamaica help back. I've been working on it. Hey! We love the countries here. Can run the trap at one time. Hey! So may I tell you, brother? So may I tell you? Well, you put your mind to how much trap does it take? One of them manufacturer, what's the name? This is for the wicked, jealous people and everything we do in our life. And try to fight me, spread rumors for me. It's a jungle out there. To all the people that might wish me bad. To all the people that might wish me bad. You ready for them?
Yeah, I'm
To all the people that might wish me bad. Hey! 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 Chop them down, Randy. Chop them down. Chop them. Chop them down. See them. Them are dead now. Ah. Some people are parasites. Some people are parasites. Parasite them dead now. Now we are going to use them back. We don't know if you wish. Bad about Randy. We don't know if you talk about the girls them candy. Eh? Because to my friend, you know. Randy. 3, 4, over there. I must make gloves. Yeah, man. Yeah. You see, so Monday I find I wash me. You see the boy can't hold my shit. See my gloves? See the angle? I keep my hand themselves. You know, woman not in a rough hand, man. I touch them things. What you think about that? The right guy, master, come off of me. Your hand too rough.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey! Look at that. Hey! Look at that. Hey! 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 Yes, I. Take that red. Fine, it. Good. Good. Get a good workout.